Scouts are news. Scouts have reported the neighboring kingdom's army is advancing swiftly. The threat is imminent. I came at once to warn you, so that you may prepare. What?
Do not worry. We will conquer them. Our kingdom will prevail.
My daughter, the kingdom depends on you.
Be brave. Thank you, Father. Mother, I will not fail. I will protect our kingdom.
Acquired. It's time. Mobilize the army. We go to war.
Son, make sure you bring me the head of the castle's king. Leave nothing behind. Leave nothing behind.
Yes, Father. I will not fail you. The castle's king will fall before me.